Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we are going to export the CSV with TanStack table. So first of all, we have to install this library, that is TanStack React table and then React CSV. Okay, and after this we have to add this code. Let's take a look how we are going to implement. So currently this is that one. Okay, so TanStack table with CSV export. So I do the export to CSV. It will go and give me that record with name, age, and the country. Let's take a look with the code level how we are doing that one. So first of all, we have to use the user table core raw model flex from the TanStack React table, then React CSV. First of all, we have to create a column for that one. So column helper. Okay, so here we have to define the column helpers because this is understand by the TanStack query, not the React CSV. So we have to do this way. Okay, so this is the data that we want to export to the CSV. So data, then columns. Okay, so name, age, and the country. After that, we have to go with the TanStack table with export. We have to use the React table and pass our data and the columns and the row model. Okay, then separately we have to create the CSV headers which is understand by the React CSV. Okay, so this is done. After that, we have to generate the table now. So table get header groups map. So first of all, headers. Okay, then we have to render the headers. After that, we have to render the table. Okay, so row get visible cells map, and the flex render will help you to render that column. Okay, and after that we have to go with the CSV because here we are just doing the manipulation with the table. Okay, so first header groups. Okay, so here it is ended. Okay, and after that we have the row get row model, then this is ended over here, which is this one, that like the data that we have to export. Okay, then the last, that is a CSV link where we have to pass the data, headers, and the file name. Okay, and that will help you to export it to the CSV. Okay, easy. Just what it is changed, like the pattern the TanStack is following, the how to render this table and how the columns are mapping in the TanStack. That's it. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.